Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be looking at iRobot.com. So the first thing you guys need to do if you want to purchase anything from here including accessories is make an account. So on the top right hand corner of your screen you're going to see this logo right beside the shopping cart. You're going to see this one right here, this icon. Just click on it, and once we click on it we can go ahead and sign in. This is very important. So if you guys have an account already, just sign up here, or if you guys are new customers, haven't created one, just go ahead on the right hand side, you will see create account. So that's this button right here on the right hand side, create an account. So let's assume you're a brand new customer. Let's just click on create an account. And then from here, just fill all this up. First name, last name, email, password. Do not use the same password as your email. Make up a new password for this account. Then you confirm your password, select your country, click on accept, and on the bottom you will see create an account and just click on that button. Also want to mention, once you create your account, go to it and add your shipping address. Once you guys have done so, go back into the home page. So this is the home page, and let's look for whatever product you're looking for. So let's go to accessories, which is one of the main things that everybody looks for. So accessories will be right here in the middle. And then from here, depending what you're looking for, click on what makes sense to you. So let's say you want accessories for your Braava. Let's just go right into it. And then here we have several models. So let's just click on the last one as an example again. So this is for the 380t, and these are all the accessories that you can buy. One of the most common ones would be your battery. So it's very important that you know which model you have. As you may notice, the very first battery, for example, is exactly for this model. If you keep scrolling down, we're going to see another battery, and that's for this model. If you don't see what you're looking for, just go to the second page. We're going to see other batteries, which does include battery for this model. Now we're going to go back into the first page. We are going to scroll down, and we're going to take a look at this battery per se. And now we can actually click on the battery itself, and we're going to see all the details about the battery. So again, one of the main things that you should be looking for is down here, although it does say it on the top, but it should say compatible with the model that you have. Once you have confirmed so, just add to cart. And then once you add it to your cart, you should get this pop-up on the right hand side where you can view your cart right away. And we can see that it's gonna be free shipping. So hopefully that's true. We're gonna go right into view cart. Once you click on view cart, there's several ways to check out. You can use Apple Pay, check out with PayPal, or just a credit card. At the same time, I do want to highlight that on the bottom left hand side, you're going to see enter coupon code. So if you do have a coupon code, right now it's the time to apply it. And yes, of course, if you just want to use a credit card, you do have that option, and we can just click on checkout now. So once again, if you want to use PayPal, just go into checkout with PayPal. If you want to use your credit card, just click on checkout. So for example, if you want to use credit card, I'm going to choose checkout now. And although yes, we have signed in already, it's going to ask you to sign in again. So we're going to go ahead and returning customer, sign in. And once you have done so, it's going to ask you for your billing information. Just make sure it's all there. Of course, we already filled that up. So as long as you guys scroll down, you should see ground should be at $0. Or you could pay just $10 to get it shipped express, which is almost the same thing as ground. So I suggest just going for the free and then just click on continue. Now before we keep going, I'm just gonna go back and highlight the way that you would do it through PayPal. So I'm gonna select that option. So I already went back, and here is checkout with PayPal. I'm just gonna click on PayPal. It will take us to this website where it's PayPal. So we can just log in to your PayPal account. And for that, just on the bottom, you guys will see login. So just press on that button. Once you guys have done so, just confirming your address obviously with PayPal and just pressing continue on, it's gonna take you to the last page. So obviously we're using PayPal, it's a lot faster. So here we are in the last page. Let's just scroll down, and we're gonna see all this information. Total -6, sales tax 8, makes sense. Total 73. So right now we can just place order at this point in time. And I just want to mention, if you guys keep scrolling down, you will see your shipping information. Just make sure that's all okay. And of course, we're just going to press on place order right now. And that's about it. We have placed our order. So just make sure to keep that order number, which is on the top left hand side of your screen, So just take a screenshot of this or even print it out if you really have to. Plus don't forget, we should be getting an email as well. But that's it for this video. You guys have successfully placed your order. You can continue on to place more orders throughout here on the website of iRobot.com. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.